Hello friends, welcome in today's lecture. In this lecture, we will see the third point of our first chapter, that is AWT controls. Now let us see first use of AWT controls. Java AWT controls are the controls that are used to design graphical user interface or web application. Means the AWT controls is mainly used to design a web application. To make an effective graphical user interface, Java provides java.awt package that supports various AWT controls. Means in the program we use various AWT controls, and for that we import java.awt package. AWT controls place on frame window or applet window using add method. Onto our program, we can use various AWT controls, and for that add method is used to place the controls onto frame window or applet window. The next, the AWT supports following types of AWT controls. These are 7 AWT controls. First one, label. Second, button. Third, checkbox. Fourth, checkbox group. Fifth, scroll bar. Sixth, text field. And 7, text area. Now see the one by one. First one, label. Label are the simple component that are used to represent a single line read-only text. User cannot change this text. The syntax of label is: first, label parameter string s, and second, label string s int style, where the string s is nothing but it represents a string that contained by the label. And in the syntax 2, label string s int style, in that string s is nothing but the string contained by the label, and int style is the constant used for the style of label. It can be a label.left, label.right, or label.center. There are various methods in the label. First one, set text. Second, get text. Third, set alignment. And fourth, get alignment. See the first one, set text string str. This method is used to set the text of specified label. The syntax is void set text string str. Second method is get text. This method is used to retrieve the text of the label. Third method is set alignment. This method is used to set the alignment of the label. And fourth method is get alignment. This method is used to retrieve the type of alignment. Now see the one program of the label. This is the sample program of the label. First, import java.awt.star. This is the main package of the AWT. It contains AWT classes and AWT controls. Second, import java.applet.star. It provides a classes necessary to create an applet. Now next, this is the applet code. Here define the width and height of the applet window. Now define a class label demo extends applet, and in init method we create two label. First, label, the object of label is lb1 is equals to new label, and the name of label is this is label. And for creating second label, object is label2 lb2 is equals to new label, and the name of the label is enter user ID. After that, we add these two labels using add method. Add lb1, this is the object of label 1, and lb2, it is the object of label 2. Now save the code using program name .java. Now run the code. First compile using command javac program name labeldemo.java. It is successfully compiled. Then run the code. Applet viewer program name .java. See here, this is the output of our code. This is a label. It is a label 1 and it is label 2. Label 1 name is, this is the label, and label 2 name is enter user ID. This is the sample program of label. Now see the second AWT control button. A button is also called as a push button. This component contains a label, and when it is pressed, it generates an event. The syntax of button is button string s. String s is nothing but a label or name of the button. Now see the constructors of the button. There are two constructors of a button. First button, second button string str. The first constructor creates button without any label on it, and the second constructor creates a button with a label. Now see the methods of the button. There are two methods of the button. First set label and second method is get label. The first method set label is used to set the specified label on the button, and the second method is get label. This method returns the label of the button. Now see one example of the button. This is a sample program of a button. Here import two packages, then write the code of applet code, define the width and height of the applet window. Now next is define a class button demo extend applet. In init method we define two button. First button btn1 is equals to new button, and second button btn2 is equals to new button, and the label is click me. After defining two button, we add the button using add method. Add btn1, this is the object of button, and add btn2, btn2 is the object of button 2. Save the code using class name .java. After that run the code. First compile the code using javac. Program name is button demo.java. It is successfully compiled. Then run the code. This is an applet code, so use applet viewer program name is button demo.java. Here this is the output of our program button demo. This is the first default constructor or having no parameter, so it simply display a button without label, and second label is click me, so second button name is click me. म्हणजेच काय तर आपण फर्स्ट बटनला लेबल काहीच दिले नाही आहे, सो फक्त आपलं सिम्पल एम्प्टी बटन डिस्प्ले झालं आहे. आणि इथं सेकंड बटनला आपण लेबल दिले क्लिक मी, सो सेकंड बटनमध्ये डिस्प्ले झालं आहे क्लिक मी. बटन हे असं आहे की इट जनरेट ॲन इव्हेंट. आपण ज्यावेळेला ह्याच्यावर क्लिक करतो आहे त्यावेळेला बटन हे इव्हेंट जनरेट करते. हे आपण थर्ड चॅप्टरमध्ये बघणारच आहोत की इव्हेंट कसा जनरेट करायचा. हा आहे सॅम्पल प्रोग्राम ऑफ अ बटन. नाउ नेक्स्ट सी द थर्ड AWT control. Checkbox is basically small box which can be checked or not checked. In Java, we can select particular item using checkbox control. This control appears as a small box along with label. This label tells us the name of the item to be selected. The syntax of checkbox is first constructor checkbox parameter string str, and second checkbox two parameter string str and boolean state. In the first constructor checkbox string str, this is a constructor creates a checkbox with a label, and in the second constructor having two parameter, it create a checkbox with label str, and the second parameter is boolean state. If the state is true, then it is initially appear checked, and if state is false, then it is initially appear unchecked. म्हणजेच काय तर फर्स्ट सिंटॅक्समध्ये फक्त आपण लेबल प्रोव्हाइड करणार, आणि सेकंडमध्ये स्ट्रिंग str म्हणजे लेबल कॉमा बुलियन स्टेट. बुलियन स्टेट ह्याची व्हॅल्यू ट्रू किंवा फॉल्समध्ये असते. जर ट्रू असेल तर तुमचा चेकबॉक्स ऑलरेडी चेकड असेल, आणि जर बुलियन स्टेट ही फॉल्स असेल तर चेकबॉक्स हा अनचेक असेल. नाउ सी द मेथड्स ऑफ द चेकबॉक्स. देर आर 4 मेथड्स ऑफ द चेकबॉक्स. फर्स्ट इज सेट लेबल, सेकंड गेट लेबल, थर्ड set state, and fourth get state. See the first one. The first method is set label. This method is used to set the label of the checkbox. ही मेथड लेबल सेट करण्यासाठी यूज केली जाते. म्हणजेच काय नेम ऑफ द चेकबॉक्स असणार आहे ते स्ट्रिंग str. तुम्ही ह्या स्ट्रिंग कोणती स्ट्रिंग द्याल ती ॲज अ चेकबॉक्सचं नेम म्हणून असाइन होईल. Second method is get label. This method returns a label. Third, set state. The set state method is used to set the state of the checkbox by specifying state. The value is true or false. And the fourth method is Boolean get state. This method is used to retrieve the current state of the checkbox. Now see the one example of the checkbox. This is an example of a checkbox. First import the packages, then write down the applet code. Then next define a class checkbox demo extends applet. In init method here define 4 checkboxes and create the object of checkboxes. First checkbox chb1 is equal to new checkbox. The name is pizza. Second checkbox is object is chb2 and the name is burger. Third checkbox object is chb3 is equals to new checkbox. Name is pastry, comma boolean state value is true. This is the having this checkbox constructor having two parameters. Now for checkbox is checkbox chb4 is equals to new checkbox. The label is hot dog. After defining the for checkbox, we add this using add method. chb1 add chb2 add chb3 and add chb4. This is all the objects of for checkboxes. The add method is used to add all these AWT controls onto the applet window. Now save the code using class name.java. The class name is checkboxdemo.java. After that, run the code using javac command. Javac program name checkboxdemo.java. It is successfully compiled. Then run the code. This is the applet code, so using applet viewer we can run it. Applet viewer program name checkboxdemo.java. Here this is the output of our program. See the four checkboxes: first pizza, second burger, third pastry and fourth hot dog. आता इथे आपण जो थर्ड चेकबॉक्स डिफाइन केलाय त्याच्यामध्ये आपण बुलियन स्टेट ट्रू दिला. म्हणजेच काय, ट्रू असेल तर तुमचा चेकबॉक्स हा चेक्ड असेल. ज्यावेळेला आपण रन केला बाय डिफॉल्ट पेस्ट्री हा चेकबॉक्स हा चेक्ड असेल, कारण इथं आपण बुलियन व्हॅल्यू ही ट्रू दिला. जर इथं फॉल्स असेल तर हे अनचेक असेल. This is the output of our program checkbox. Now see the next AWT control, checkbox group. The checkbox group component allows the user to make one and only one selection at a time. This checkbox group is also called as a radio buttons. म्हणजे काय तर चेकबॉक्स ग्रुपमध्ये फक्त एकच आपण सिलेक्शन करू शकतोय. चेकबॉक्स ग्रुपमध्ये कलेक्शन ऑफ चेकबॉक्सेस असतात आणि ॲट अ टाइम आपण एकच सिलेक्ट करू शकतो मल्टिपल चेकबॉक्सेसमधलं. checkboxes also called as a radio button. The syntax of checkbox group is checkbox string str checkbox group cbg boolean value. String str is nothing but the name of the checkbox. Checkbox group cbg is nothing but the object of checkbox group, and boolean val is the value it is in a true or false, means the checkbox is checked or unchecked. Now see the constructor of the checkbox group. The checkbox group having only one constructor having no parameter, checkbox group, and the method of checkbox group is checkbox get selected checkbox. This method determine which checkbox is selected or checked. म्हणजे ही मेथड आपल्याला कोणता चेकबॉक्स हा सिलेक्टेड आहे किंवा चेक्ड आहे ही व्हॅल्यू रिटर्न करते. Now let us see one program of the checkbox group. Here this is the sample program of the checkbox group. In that, first import the two packages. Then here this is the applet code. Define width and height of the applet window. Now next define a class checkbox group demo extends applet. In init method, first create the object of the checkbox group. checkbox group CBG is equals to new checkbox group. Now here define 4 checkboxes. The first one is checkbox CHB1 is equals to new checkbox. The string is pizza, the state is false, comma, this is the object of the checkbox group. Next, define the second checkbox. Object is CHB2 is equals to new checkbox. Burger is the value of the checkbox, state is false, and CBG is the object of checkbox group. This is the third checkbox. Object is CHB3 is equals to new checkbox. Pastry, this is the value of the checkbox. This is the label of the checkbox. The state is true, and this is the object of the checkbox group. And this is the checkbox 4. CHB4 is equals to new checkbox hot dog. The state is false, and this is the object of checkbox group. After that, add all these AWT controls using add method. Add 4 checkboxes. After that, save the code using class name checkbox group demo.java. After that, run the code. First, compile the code. Javac checkbox group demo.java. It is successfully compiled. Then run the code. Applet viewer, program name checkbox demo.java. This is the output of our sample program checkbox group. In that, see here, आता फर्स्ट चेकबॉक्स जो आहे त्याचं नाव पिझ्झा, स्टेट फॉल्स, सो हे अनचेक्ड आहे. सेकंड चेकबॉक्स बर्गर, स्टेट फॉल्स, सो बर्गर पण चेकबॉक्स हा अनचेक आहे. थर्ड इज पेस्ट्री, स्टेट इज ट्रू, सो हा चेक्ड आहे. अँड फोर्थ इज हॉट डॉग, स्टेट इज फॉल्स, सो हा अनचेक्ड आहे. दिस इज द आउटपुट ऑफ अवर sample program checkbox group. आता आपण जर सेकंड कोणतेही चेकबॉक्स सिलेक्ट केला तर बाकीचे हे अनचेक्ड होतील. म्हणजेच काय तर ओनली वन चेकबॉक्स इज चेक्ड इन द चेकबॉक्स ग्रुप. चेकबॉक्स ग्रुपमध्ये सिम्पली काय असतं तर मल्टिपल चेकबॉक्सेस असतात आणि त्याच्यामध्ये ओनली वन चेकबॉक्स हा सिलेक्ट केला जातो.